Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about my Casio Wave Ceptor watch, the WVQ-142A to be exact. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at one of my watches. It is a Casio Wave Ceptor. The model on this one is it's probably going to be hard for you to see. It looks like a WVG-142A. It has the 4755 module. I believe that says 4755. It could be 65, but I think it's 55. So I got this in a lot quite some time ago. This is an absolutely beautiful watch. I love this watch. It has some neat technology. Basically, all this one does is you set a few specs like your time zone, your daylight savings, and then it's an atomic receptor or a receiver or whatever you want to call it. So it'll go out, a few times a day and update time and keep, probably the closest to a standard time as what you can get with a watch that's not tied to your cell phone, which I don't like. We don't like here at Wristwatch Wednesday. We don't like those newfangled smartwatches. So Casio Wave Ceptor, very cool watch. Probably not a lot of value, which is, it's a little bit surprising to me. I guess I'm old, but maybe goes for 50, 60, 75 bucks on eBay. So if you want to pick one of these up, not a bad deal out there to get one of these. Let's get some specs on the size. This is a bigger watch. Let's go with the case size first. It's about a 45 millimeter. Let's go lug to lug, about the same there. Let's see. Let's go with the lug width. And we're about 22 on that. Beautiful watch, black dial. It's got some detail in around the non-numeric hour marks. This one also has an alarm, although, confession, I never really use my watches for alarm, so don't really get into that. But let's get some shots of it on the wrist real quick. Again, great technology with the atomic syncing, but really kind of a simple watch. Now I have a 7¼ inch wrist. I think we've been over that several times on these Wednesday videos. So I like it. This watch I really like. Now, let's talk about what I don't like. The light. The light on this thing is absolutely horrendous. It shoots up from the bottom. I'll get a night shot to throw in here so you guys can see it. From watches of this era, that light's just very poor. The hands do glow. I love the gold hands, the gold second hand that spins around. Beautiful, beautiful watch. The dial does move, the bezel dial. And it is a 100-meter water resistant. I love the clasp on these. I have a couple of Seiko watches that don't have the locking clasp like this, and I'm sure there's a term for what that's called. I'm just not sure what it is. So maybe you guys can educate me and leave a comment below. But the way these lock and stay into place, I am forever on my Seikos just putting my hand down way too hard or whatever I'm doing, and the band pops, and I always have to refasten it. So these types of clasps I really like. But yeah, this is a cool watch. One that I keep in my personal collection. Maybe I'll get rid of it one day. I don't know. I really like it. I like the size for my wrist. So this is probably the biggest watch I would wear. But I like it. It's just a beautiful watch. The color, the silver, The black, the white, the gold. It just looks amazing to me. So, hey, let me know if you have one of these and what other details you love about yours. Leave a comment. Let's talk about this, and we will see you next time.